In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Perplexity to n8n. Whether you're new to n8n or just brushing up on your integration skills, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step so that by the end of this video, you'll have everything connected and ready to use. First things first, we need to open n8n, so go ahead and launch the application. If you haven't installed it yet, be sure to download it from the official website, following the installation instructions for your operating system. Now once you've got n8n open on your screen, you're ready to move on to the next step. You'll want to navigate to the Credentials section. This is where n8n stores all of the connection information for the various services you might want to integrate. Think of Credentials as the bridge that allows n8n to securely communicate with other platforms. So, it's crucial to make sure your credentials are set up correctly to ensure functionality and security. Within the Credentials section, you're going to notice a button labeled Create Credential. Click on this button. You'll be presented with a list of options, as n8n supports numerous platforms. Hence, a meticulous approach to selecting the correct one is crucial for your integration to work seamlessly. From the list, locate and select Perplexity API. This option is specifically designed for connecting n8n to Perplexity, simplifying the integration process by providing an interface to input your necessary connection details. Now comes the important part, your API key. If you haven't generated an API key with Perplexity yet, you'll need to do this first. Typically, you'll find this option within your Perplexity account settings, where you can create a new key. Be sure to keep your API key secure and only share it with trusted systems like n8n. Once you have your key ready, paste it into the required field in the n8n interface. With your API key successfully pasted, the next step is to save the credential. Double check to ensure the key is correct. Accuracy is vital here. Any errors might prevent the integration from working. Simply look for the Save option and click it to securely store your API credentials within n8n. And that's all it takes. You've successfully connected Perplexity to n8n. Take a moment to appreciate your newly established integration. Now you're all set to start automating processes and leveraging Perplexity's capabilities within n8n. If you encounter any issues during these steps, double-check your API key and ensure that you've selected the correct API option. Always feel free to reach out to support or consult the n8n community forums for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Enjoy your n8n and Perplexity integration.